subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched its new flagship smartphones under Mate 40 series globally called Huawei Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro and Mate 40 Pro Plus, along with the portrait design Mate 40 RS smartphone with 5G support. Among these three, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus features a 6.76-inch Full HD Plus OLED curved display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR10+. As per the camera, the phone supports a pentalens camera setup on the rear in a circular ring at the top center, including LED flash and a laser autofocus system. The pentalens camera setup includes a 50 megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 12 megapixel telephoto lens with up to 3x optical zoom support plus 8 megapixel periscope lens with up to 10x optical zoom support plus 20 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with f2.4 aperture and a 3D depth sensing camera with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second with optical image stabilization support. For selfies, it has a pill-shaped dual camera setup at the top left corner that houses a 13 megapixel main camera with f2.4 aperture and a 3D depth sensing camera. Under the hood, the Mate 40 Pro Plus comes powered by Kirin 9000 chipset paired with Mali G78MP24 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage that is expandable up to 256GB via hybrid nano memory card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with EMUI 11 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4400 mAh battery that supports 66 watts wired fast charging and up to 50 watts wireless fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with AI gesture control system. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, infrared port and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 75.5 by 8.8 millimeters and it weighs around 230 grams. Now talking about the pricing. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus price has been set at 1,400 euros and it will be available in ceramic white and ceramic black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.